Monochrome is a work of art in which only one color or hue is employed. This includes the colors tints and shades. The word monochrome literally means one color. Monochromatic is the adjectival form of monochrome, and any color can be used to create a monochromatic color scheme. For example, adding white to red creates a pink hue, and adding black to red creates a crimson hue. The result is a monochromatic color scheme of red, pink, and crimson. Want to know more? Discover the Seed Gallery Art History and Economics Glossary, which offers an extensive vocabulary on art history, contemporary art economics, and design concepts, art investing, and more. Visit seedgallerynewyork.com.